5 laws when it comes to buying silver, especially if you're new. If you're new watching this right now, I'm gonna give you guys the urban laws when buying silver. And we're gonna start now. I will be the light that shines. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys want to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join the community, I do want to say thank you in advance. Question of the day. What kind of rules do you guys follow when it comes to buying silver? If you have any, comment down below. Let me and the community know. So we're gonna go in this real quick, all right? So the first law I say that you guys should always follow when it comes to buying silver, or matter of fact, even when it comes to gold for that matter, is knowing what spot is. You have to know what spot is. Spot is practically the price of the silver when it comes off the grounds. That's it. The melt price, the melt value of the silver. All right. Now companies want to make some profit off it, so they're going to always add a premium to it. So you might go online and you might see that ounce of silver is going for $17 when spot is only $15. Technically 14 and 70 something cents, but companies always add a premium. But you always want to know what spot is and use that as a guide when it comes to buying your gold or silver. Law number 2, if you're fairly new, hey, that rhymes. Okay, what are you gonna do? Yeah, that rhymes too. Law number 2, if you're fairly new, what you gonna do? Oh, okay, yeah. Law number 2, if you're fairly new, find a way to buy. Find a way to buy. Either you go online, if you're gonna go to your local coin shop, go to a local coin shop, make sure you find the right way. I actually have a video coming out talking about the 3 best ways to actually buy silver and gold. If that video is out already, you guys should see it right here somewhere. If not, then you're watching this on the very first day. Law number 3, buy close to spot or buy under spot. All right. Now, buying close to spot means get your silver or gold as close to spot as possible. So that goes back to number 1. You actually have to know what spot is. Now, if you guys want to know what spot is, there's countless ways. Just go online and type in what is silver spot price right now. Download some apps. There's ways. If you guys want to get this information is out there for you guys to consume. But anyways, at the time of this recording, silver spot price is about $14.70-ish cents, and gold is about $1,200-ish. But the fact that you know what spot price is means that you should have a general idea of how much premium they're adding to the silver or gold that you're trying to purchase. So if you know what spot is, you can know how close to spot that you can get to actually buy your silver or gold. Now, to buy under spots, it's highly unlikely, but it is possible. There's tons of deals out there. Matter of fact, you can actually get silver at spot. Take advantage of these bullion spot deals. There's a whole bunch of bullion sites that has starter packs. I know JM Bullion has one. I know Profit Metal has one. In some cases, you can buy 10 ounce of silver at spot. So it's a good way to take advantage of these spot deals, but you can only use it one time. Just one time, one per household. Unless you get a whole new account and a whole new address, then you can do all that again. But let's move on to law number 4. Avoid paying fees. Now, what kind of fees are you talking about? We're talking about shipping fees, processing fees, and taxes. Oh, Eli, what you mean taxes? You can't avoid taxes. I mean, yes, you can. If you're in a state that actually charges tax for your silver or gold, you can move to a whole different state like Florida that does not charge taxes when you're purchasing gold or silver. But realistically speaking, it's not worth it. Just pay the tax. But if you are in one of those states that doesn't charge taxes, you guys should just jump up and yell, yippee-ki-yay. Yippee-ki-yay. All right. Avoiding shipping fees. There's a whole bunch of online bullion dealers that charge free shipping for any orders over $99. If you're planning to buy silver or gold from an online bullion dealer that actually offers this service, you can actually avoid the shipping fee. Now, this can really help you out in the long run. Let's say that shipping fees just cost you $5 per order. If in a year you order like a good 20 times, that's $100 that you save that you can actually use to purchase more silver. And the last fee that I know of is processing fees. Now, if you use a credit card to place an order, whether it be online or in some cases a local coin shop, I don't know about all the local coin shops, but the local coin shops I go to, if you use a credit card, there is a 3 to 5% processing fee on that card. So they're gonna charge you 3 to 4 or 5% interest on whatever the price is, if you're using a credit card. Now, if you're going online, there is something called e-check. That just means you give them your account number, your router number, and they just take the money from your account. And they don't charge you no processing fee for that. Now, it does take a little bit long, and most of these online bullion dealers that you run across, you're gonna have a history of purchase from them to actually unlock that feature. But don't worry, there's other ways to avoid the processing fee. If they accept it, always make sure you read the fine print. If they accept it, you can either write them a check and send it to them, mail it to them. Of course, that's gonna take a little bit longer, but hey, you avoid the processing fee. Or you can send them a money order. But make sure you read the fine print, because that actually happened to me once where I just sent them a money order. They sent that thing back to me and like, hey, nah, that won't work, bruh. That won't work at all. So now that comes to my law number 5 when it comes to buying silver and or gold. When buying silver, this one lies just for silver now. When buying silver, avoid fractional. What does that mean? Anything that's under an ounce of precious metals, whether it be gold, silver, platinum, or palladium, anything that's under an ounce, I consider fractional. Meaning you could buy 1/10 of an ounce, 1/4 of an ounce, a half ounce, anything under an ounce. When dealing with silver, just don't worry about it. I mean, if you can't afford the full ounce, don't worry about anything fractional. Unless you're talking about constitutional silver, but that's a whole nother video. Why you want to avoid that? Because it's going to be more expensive in the long run. Trust me, I know this is something I did, all right? So take my experience, all right? They say experience is the best teacher. I don't believe that. I say other people's experience is the best teacher. Now, it takes 32 grams to make 1 troy ounce of silver. I say troy ounce because a lot of people is going to say, no, it's 28 grams that makes 1 ounce. Yes, 28 grams make 1 ounce, but troy ounce is different. It takes 32, actually 31 point blah, 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 blah. But let's just round it off to 32 grams to make 1 troy ounce of silver, okay? Now, you can actually buy 1 gram of silver online for about $2, maybe $1.50, but about $2, right? Now, let's take this $2 and times that by 32 grams to actually make that 1 troy ounce, and that will give you $64. $64. When 1 troy ounce should run you with the premiums, if you're buying a coin, American Silver Eagle, it probably run you about $18. So what would you rather do? You'll pay $18 for a troy ounce, or would you rather pay $64 for a whole bunch of small grams that equals up to 1 troy ounce? Now the same thing could be said for gold, because you'll be paying a little bit more of a premium, but gold is expensive, and that's the topic I don't want to hit on right now. Some people may prefer buying fractional gold. I used to, I bought fractional gold and I paid over $500 for it. But a lot of people don't mind that. But you guys be the judge of that for your own situation, for your own financial situation. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up. Share this if you believe that it'll be benefit to somebody else. But guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.